Hi guys, I am sharing a topic video. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Best cloud file security software. Cloud file security software has used to secure information stored within cloud-based SaaS applications. These tools integrate with cloud-based tools used to store and share file many more. Cloud-based tools used to store and share files. Many companies will use cloud file security solution to identify files containing sensitive or privileged information. Once these files are properly labeled, companies can control access to the file documents, their sharing history, and prevent unauthorized practice from access. These tools can facilitate data security for enforcing policies related to cloud access control and storage companies leverage and tools to implement security protocol, monitor assets and protect both information storage within cloud application and information transfer throughout cloud applications. Administrators can manage governance, set permissions, and monitor the use of those accessing the applications. Many cloud security products provide crypto and data loss prevention features to further security document and data stored within cloud applications. To qualify for inclusion in the cloud file security category, a product must integrate with SaaS applications and identify directories, allow administrators to set permissions and control file access, document interactions with files stored within cloud-based applications, or changes to their privileges. Compound Cloud File Security Software Code File Security User Certifications. Has the product been a good partner and doing business? Uh, Qualify of supports is of setup and ease of use are the top four factors that positively impact users' certification for cloud file security products. These factors are determined by an algorithm that selects the attributes that are most likely to predict user satisfaction within this category. Has the product been a good partner and doing business? Quality of support is of setup is of use. Spotlight categories: business process simulations, machine translation software, warehouse management software, EDI testing tools, disaster recovery. Similar categories: API security, cloud access security broker, or cloud compliance, cloud data security, cloud dose mitigation, cloud uh, detection and response, cloud edge security, cloud native application protection platforms. Cloud security monitoring and analysis, cloud security posture management, cloud workload protections. It starts so innocently you realize that your antivirus does not protect data when it leaves your computer. So you add a VPN app. Your security minded friend points out that security mind friend points out that password has update password, which leads you to add a password manager. And when your child has traumatized by reached upon sites and seeds of cartoons, you realized parental control might be a good idea. Pretty soon you have different apps protecting your security and privacy. But your computer has sluggish you and your wallet has empty does let this happen to you. Instead of patching together your security, find a security situator that contains all the tools you need in a single program. Your computer will thank your wallet to some security companies add only the most essential compounds to create a suite, while others rope in a variety of security and suggest which security solution should you choose. We have received nearly 40 sets and pulled together the best from simply entry-level securities to cross-platform multi-device leaderboards. We have sharing the top sites we have tested here along with what make them unique and how they can work for you. This article briefly mentions the many tests we use to evaluate security situates, determine which are the best. If you want more detail on the uh, to- tests we perform on every situation we review, please read the full explanation of how we test security software. Our explains have tested 24 products in the security stress category in the past year. The since PC Mag has tested and rated thousands of products to help you make better buying decisions. Deep dive our top tested picks. Why we packet it? When you buy a security shares, there are an implied promise it will keep you safe. Norton and Deluxe makes that promise explicit as long as you choose auto renewal. You have got a guarantee. Norton support will handle any malware that gets past the app's protection and that's some powerful protection. The independent labs we follow requirements give Norton perfect to near perfect scores. It also assesses our hands-on tests. The site includes a robust and intelligent firewall based password manager and a local spam filter, as well a dark web mode monitoring system to warn if your private data has exposed as a standalone. The, part, the parental control system has an editor. Choose your subscription lets you protect up to 5 devices running Windows. Android iOS it also gets you give full lenses or Norton dates reality. Many other situations make you pay extra to move limits from their unclouded and compounds. And the of online storage of your backup has a nice bonus. Who has for or Norton security programs have been around for decades, and the brand has plenty of fans. This is a good choice for anyone who wants a time-tested storage that covers all the bases, but it's especially good for those who visually opt to protect their connection with a VPN. Why we pocket it? Bit different stand alone and antivirus packs and more features than some self-proclaimed threats and bit defender internet security plans on even more. The core antivirus technology consistently earns perfect and technologically unperfect and near perfect secures from independent testing labs and its ransomware specific protection is our tests. Other key facilities include a no actually firewall, a simple spam filter, password management, file shielding, a full-powered parental control system, and more. And it works all this protection in an autopilot system that lets you sit back and enjoy your protection with minimal interactions. Beautiful does include a VPN, but with limits you cannot pick and choose among available servers, and you can only use of bandwidth per day. That's enough to try out the VPN protection. But if you plan to make a serious use of the VPN, you have to pay for an grade. Who it's for? Maybe you are torn between to choose on one hand you want a security stress that fix and every important security component. On the other hand, you does not want those compounds clamoring for your attention. When you are working, gaming, or relaxing with a video, has that you? If so, then Bitdefender Internet Security with its multitude of components run and by autopilot and just what you need. Why we picked it? You almost consciously have security protection for your PC, yes, but have you protected your other devices? Defender Total Security posts all the excellent, well-behaved facilities of internet security into your Windows boxes and goes on to offer protection for your macOS, Android, and iOS devices. It also kicks its Windows game up to a notch with system optimization and an shell anti-theft component. You manage your installations or launch new ones from the handy Bitdefender central online console. Installing protection one make you better Bitdefender antivirus for Mac and editors choose and its own RAM as well as the same limit VPN UC and Windows. The password manager and parent control feature also support macOS. Installed on Android, Total Protection brings a comprehensive collection of security features. It scans for malware on demand and also scan every new application. If you lose your phone, you can log in to better find central and locate, look or wipe it, scan, alert flags, spacious text messages, web protection finds of malicious and fraudulent web pages. App lock adds a second pane for your most sensitive app. And account privacy check no data branches to see if your email was involved. This has an impressive Android app. The same Apple enforced strategicals uh, that make writing iOS malware difficult. Also interfere with creating security software and iOS. Also with all cross-platform sites, Bitdefender's iOS protection is relatively limited. You do get account privacy and the same limited VPN also on other platforms. However, there are no antivirus component. Nor does anti-theft make an appearance. Web protection has limited. On the plus side, as long as you do not enable web protection, your installing does not use up one of your license. Who it's for? Bitdefender Total Security protects your Windows devices just a Bitdefender Internet Security does, which should make anyone happy. But window boxes are only part of the picture. Total Security aids awards the winning protections for your Mac, a comprehensive sites for your Android devices, and even a modicum of security for iOS. If you need to secure and manage a household full of disparate devices, this one for you. Award-winning antivirus protects Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and iOS devices, online management, and remote control. Many bonus features including VPN and ransomware protection. And the full VPN asset requires separate suspensions, subscriptions. Parental control feature needs work on non-Windows platform. Support for iOS has limited space as VPN limit, firewall, antivirus. Why we why we picked it? Norton security software can protect your devices and your local data, but it cannot reach out into the real world and protect your identity. That's why you want Norton on with life lock select. This site starts with everything we like about Norton dialects and add identity monitoring and identity left recommendation surprised by identifier need and Norton property lock life lock.